Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that opposition parties are instigating people in the country in the name of uniform civil code. He alleged that opposition parties are playing vote bank politics. Mr. Modi said that the Constitution of India also talks about equal rights of the citizens. Talking to the workers at BJP's Mera Booth Sabse Majboot program in Bhopal, PM Modi said that there should be one law for every family member in a house. Likewise, there should also be a uniform law for every citizen in the country. Earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also virtually flagged off 5 new Vande Bharat trains of the country from Rani Kamalapati railway station in Bhopal.
भाजपा ने ये तय किया है कि हमें तुष्टीकरण के रास्ते पर नहीं चलना है, वोट बैंक के रास्ते पर नहीं चलना है। आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड के नाम पर ऐसे लोगों को भड़काने का काम हो रहा है। आप मुझे बताइए, एक घर में परिवार के एक सदस्य के लिए एक कानून हो, परिवार के दूसरे सदस्य के लिए दूसरा कानून हो, तो क्या वो